In this session, we'll look upon how we can pass the values between two PHP pages. For example, consider we are having two PHP pages as first.php and second.php. First.php consists of two components. One, the text field, which is marked in blue color, and second one, button. Now if we write anything in this text field, for example we write Sam and we click enter, so what should happen? Whatever we have written in this text field, it should get displayed over here. We have written Sam, so it should get displayed Sam. For example, we can have like this: welcome Sam. So instead of Sam, let's consider we write Sahil over in this text field, Sahil. Then here it should display as welcome Sahil. Okay, now let's consider the code with this. Now in order to get this, I'm gonna to use a Sublime editor. There are n number of editors. It's up to you which editor you choose. So let's consider first I open a new file and I save this file as first.php, but for saving this I need to go to my root folder. So let's consider I'm using Ubuntu, so it goes over here var, then www, then html, and I'm going for this PHP chaps. Now PHP chap is my parent folder or root folder, and the file name which I'm going to create is first.php. So let's save this. My file is blank, so first I need to check whether I'm able to access this file. So first what you do, you try to check whether your server is working. Yes, my server is running, and then I will go to my parent folder and I should be able to see this file. Yes, I am having first.php. Let me open this file, and nothing is visible because we haven't written anything. And now what we want on this web page is this thing, something written as enter name, then one text field and one button. Now text field, button, these are HTML components. So what we do over here, we create a HTML file. Alright, and not HTML5, we create a PHP, but we will use HTML tags in that. So let's consider we want enter name written over there. Alright, and then I want the text field, so input, let's consider type as text, and let me name that text field as txt name. With the size, that is width, let's consider I'm giving width as 10 or 20, let's consider. And thereafter I want one button. So before that let me have some space, or else that button will be as if it is touching with that. So now button. Okay, now what should happen, I should move to the next page, so I should use type submit, and if you want to write anything you can give ID if required, and if you don't require ID, just let's consider we write over here show. That's it. So let's check with the form first. Let me save all, and the page over here, I just refresh the page. Yes, I'm getting enter name and written over here and show. So let me write ASDF show. Nothing happening because there is no linking done. What we want over here, the moment we click on this button show, I should move to the next page, and the contents of this text field should be visible on that. Now for that purpose I need to use the form. Okay, and what are these contents, that name, button and text field, it will be, these will come under form. So create one form, and form, and this form we need to pass some attributes, and attributes of the form. First, how you want to pass upon the components value to other page. So either it can be by using get or post. So let's consider we are going for post, and then action. Action is what after clicking that button or after submitting the button, which page you want to display. We want to display second, another page whose name is second.php. okay, and at the same time this page, first page, it should remain as it is, and second.php should be visible on another tab. So for that you need to set target as underscore blank. Now let's refresh the page. I saved all and I'm refreshing the page over here. Yes, so let me write Sam, and if I click show, it will give me an error. Yes, page not found. Which page not found? Second.php, because in our parent folder there is no second.php. Now this is my parent folder PHP chaps. I'm having only one file, that is first.php. I don't have second.php, because after clicking this submit button, this file should open, or this page should open. I don't have that page. So what I will do, I will create another page, and I will save this page in the same folder where I have first.php. So let's consider I'm saving this as second.php. Alright, second S is capital, so I need to make this SS capital. So now that's it. Now what I will do, I will just refresh it. Now here it won't give me an error. Still it's giving an error. Oh, S is small, so I need to change it. So if I write capital, then error goes. So let's consider once again. I close this. Let me refresh this page. Alright, and if I click on show, I'm coming to the new page. There is no error, but nothing is getting displayed because we haven't written anything in second.php. Okay, now what we want, whatever we have written in that text field named txt.name, it should be visible on second page. So open the code of PHP. So here we go. Whatever the value that form consists of, we can access it by using post functions. So let's consider I'm going to save that value in variable x. So I can say variable x equal to